Hey guys, welcome back. Just imagine if you can get paid when you're walking in your free time. It's great, right? Now, this is the option to make it happen. If you're looking for the best walk and earn apps where you can earn a bit extra just by walking or running or doing other exercise, then this video is for you. Before we get started, welcome to my YouTube channel and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. In this channel, I will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. In today's video, I teach where you can earn by just simply walking or running, or in some cases also doing other exercises. So therefore, I decided to make this video here with the 6 best work and earn apps so you can easily get started if you find out this is the right option for you. So before I go over the 6 apps, I want to show you, let's first set the expectations. So you know if this is the right option for you. So the way most of this type of apps work is that it will, in some cases, count your steps if you run or your walk, or in some cases also it can measure how far you go on a bicycle or doing other exercises, and then it will reward you for the effort you do there, so they are a way to keep you motivated more and keep healthy. And it can actually be a quite fun way to keep motivated in my opinion. And it is something I use as my exam step counters myself. So when I'm just walking around, I find it quite interesting to see how far I actually walk and then earn a little bit extra at the same time. However, if you are mainly doing this because you really want to earn effectively, then you will likely get disappointed because most of these apps will not pay you a lot, and that's important to understand if your main goal is to just earn money for free. Then there are just better and more effective methods where you can just simply do some tasks and get paid more. These apps here are meant as a way to motivate you, and it can be fun, and then the little bit of earnings you can get at the same time is just a bonus. And that's just important to understand you do it with the right expectations. So with the expectations set, let's now go over these 6 methods I want to show you. So the first option I want to go over is probably one of the most well-known walk and earn apps called Sweatcoin. And Sweatcoin is available currently in more than 60 different countries, and they do say that they are planning to expand to more countries. How it works is that you simply install it. It measures 2 steps and you earn sweat coins per step you take. The earnings here can then be used for discount for different products, or you can participate in auctions sometimes or get some really cool prices if you're very patient, because you need a lot of coins for that. But there is actually also a way to get paid via PayPal through Sweatcoins, but a lot of people do not actually know you can. It requires a little bit extra effort, but I'll leave a link in the top corner here about how to actually convert your Sweatcoin into PayPal if you want to know more about that. But overall, I actually personally use Sweatcoin for quite a while, and I find it fun to keep track on my extra steps, and then a little bit at the same time. But as already mentioned, it will not give you future earning. None of these apps will. So just see the slippage extra, and then it can be a great motivator to actually keep a track on your steps. So the next option I want to go over is called Runtopia. And this is an app where you can use as a GPS tracker, as you can also see here. And that means you can earn not only for walking, also for running, and also doing some times fitness and riding your bicycle and completing daily tasks. So it's quite a few different methods to earn here. Again, the earnings will not be huge, but it can be a great way to keep motivating to actually move and exercise. And you will then be able to earn different products or gift cards, and sometimes also cast. And it is not completely clear how many countries it is available, but from what I have been able to find out, it's available in a lot of countries. I'm sure that I can not be more specific about that, but they do not say exactly which countries it is, so it's just something that you have to check on your device if you think this could be interesting for you. The next option is called Optimity, and it counts your steps, and you can earn points by doing that, and it also gives you different health tips, and you can take different home workouts here through the app here, and then you can earn points that you can use for gift cards. However, you just need to be aware that it seems like it is only available in Canada. That is, however, how it seems. But if you happen to live in another country and you found that this actually does work, then please just leave a comment below and let me know. The next option is called Grow Fitter, and here you can see here by doing different daily fitness activities. It's not only walking, it's all the running, cycling, going to the gym, yoga, dance, swimming, and all kinds of activities. And you can also watch videos here with workouts. So it can also give your ideas to how to actually do workout. And rewards you can get here will usually be some kind of products or gift cards. And of course, the more active you are, the more countered, and if you're patient enough, you can get some really great prices here also. But as with all the other options here, it will require a little bit of patience to earn enough to get some of the great rewards, of course. So the next app is called Lifecoin. So let's take a look at the app and see what they give you for walking and everything that they will do right. So yeah, the app will literally just pay you to walk. It's as simple as that. For you is going to be pretty short, because that's all there is to say. You download the app, you start walking, and you go for it, but I only give you some tips and tricks and showing you what you're going to get from the app. First of all, okay, so these are some of the amazing prizes you can redeem right now. Okay, so your life coins can be exchanged for gift cards, sporting goods, and more. We are always adding new agents to check daily, so check daily to see our latest prizes. So they are constantly adding different prizes to this right now. They have all sorts of things like iPhone X, PayPal Money, DJI Sparks, Amazon gift cards, airport, iTunes gift cards, but all sorts of different things that you can claim your points for. Okay, so walk around these points, redeem them. Redeem those points for all sorts of different prizes. If you are just straight up PayPal Money, go for that. If you're buying something on Amazon, you might as well get the Amazon gift card in use, always whenever you're buying. Alright, plenty of things you can get on this app. So next step, daily walks into mining sessions, so collect live coins. Every GPS confirms step. More steps you take, the more you vote. It's as simple as that. Guys, this is really easy, to be honest. Every single day, your steps will add up. They can't do this inside. They have to be GPS tracked. You have to go outside, connect your phone to your GPS or get the app to your GPS, and it's going to track every single step you do outside the gate. You was just walking around in your house. It's not going to track that because you're not really going anywhere, right? You're going to have to take some long walks, like I said yesterday. I was walking all day on the beach, mountains, all sorts of different places, and getting paid to do that. Okay, so you do actually have to go outside and do this. So that's it. The last option I want to go over is the one way you can potentially likely earn the most or the fastest anyway, but it also comes with a risk, and this one is called Stepbet, and it is quite different from the other options here. Because here you actually need to put money on the line, you need to bet on yourself and bet that you can actually stick to your fitness goals. So you will connect it with any activity tracker and then you will make a bet here. And if you live up to your goals, then you can potentially win. Because you will compete with other members, but you do need to actually make a bet here. Most bets are around $40, but sometimes they can be less and they can be more, but they do not in general offer free bets here because what they see is that if you put money on the line, there's a great chance that you would actually stick to your goals and keep motivated and keep moving along. And just to make it clear, no, you cannot just cheat. They have a zero tolerance policy with cheating. So you cannot just put a lot of money down here and then just shake your activity track or anything like that. They will flag suspicious behavior and then you just use your money instead. So if you want to do this, just do it honestly and see it as a way to motivate. But only do it also if you can afford to potentially reduce what you put down, because there is no guarantee you will win, and the bets or how long it will take before the bets will actually determine us, usually around 6 weeks, or sometimes it will be shorter, sometimes it will be longer. And if you are serious about really reaching motivation, this can be a way to do that, but you can also risk losing what you put down. To just need to be aware of that. So, as you can see, there are quite a lot of cheap ways to get extra by walking or running or doing other fitness activity. In my opinion, it can be a fun way to stay motivated, and I personally actually use some of these apps here because I just think it is a great way to keep an eye on your activity, and then you can earn a bit extra at the same time, which is definitely free clothes. However, you need to do it with the right expectation and see it's mainly as a motivator and as a way to keep an eye on how much you move. If your main goal to use these is to earn as effectively as possible, you will, in most cases, be wasting your time. So if you just want to add extra money, then I would recommend that use other apps or the websites where you can just do small tasks and earn way more effectively instead. And I leave a link below with more information about free methods you can easily get started with if you want to use some of those options instead. But no matter what, I hope that this video helped you and help you figure out if this is the right type of apps for you to use or not, and also help you to figure out exactly what to expect so you know if you actually should download any of these apps or not. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss out next time. It's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of that page besides paid service and other free ways to earn some extra cash inside online. To get my most recommended way of making money online, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.